Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As FOMC coming later today, we can see significant trading opportunity on gold. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture to see overall direction in the market. Now from the bigger picture perspective, gold is a long term bearish market. We have seen that previous months gold has formed this long week monthly candle with a healthy body, and also we see a long week at the bottom, which is a long-term downtrending market structure. As a result, we saw that this month, once the market opened, we have seen expected pullback around 50% of this previous monthly candle, and from that zone we saw that there was an immediate rejection to the downside on gold, created this long-term downtrend. Now we see that the price this month so far has dropped well below this level of support and has gone up for a pullback, almost retested this monthly resistance, and we saw that now the price is rejecting on the lower time frame, means that we can expect downside with the upcoming news. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective the price has reached that liquidity zone that we are expecting on the monthly to have a rejection. Also the weekly resistance, initially the price has reached that level, and from that zone we see that gold is now rejecting to the downside. With that rejection we can expect gold to come back down to create a new lower low. Now this is a long week candle on the weekly so far. What I think that gold might drop back to this weekly opening and closing, or even we could see a break of the low to test this long week candle. Now if we look at this zone here, we see that gold from the weekly perspective maintained this support level for quite a few weeks, and we have seen a breakdown, has gone back up. We can expect a retest of this weekly support before breaking to the upside again. Now if we look at the daily time frame, we can see that from the daily perspective, as expected previous day, a narrower candle. Now with this daily impulse and movement followed by, we can expect for gold to come down to this daily 20 EMA, which is an important level of support level here. And along with this daily 20 EMA, we can expect gold to come down to test this level. Now if we take our Fibonacci to see the Fibonacci perspective on gold, to see which is exactly aligning with this level at 38.2% Fibonacci level, along with the daily 20 EMA, giving a very high probability for gold to come down to test this zone to gather liquidity. So from the monthly, weekly and daily, we see that gold currently potentially downside movement on the lower time frame. Now if we look at the 4-hour perspective, we see that here, as expected, the price with this local bullish move, the price has created a wave, second wave. On the third wave, we see the price now coming down to break this swing low. Now you see that there is a liquidity zone here below this level. There was a huge liquidity. As this price is now slowly breaking towards the downside, we can expect gold to come down to break the low to create a new lower low and also gather liquidity before breaking out or even continuation to the downside towards its long-term downtrending direction. So in this time frame also we see potential downside on gold. Now this candle is closing 58 minutes time, this 4-hour candle. Let's see on the lower time frame how we can find an entry opportunity. Now from the 1 hour, we see that there is a channel here, which is the bearish channel. Now with that channel we can expect gold to break down to create a new lower low. This is what we will be waiting for, an entry. Now before breaking that low, what I think that as FOMC coming, we can expect now a reaction from the buyers to fill that imbalance in that area, as we can expect potential bearish momentum here. This is where I will be waiting for potential selling opportunity, especially above this level. Any break of this high along with this left shoulder head and formation of right shoulder, we can find suitable entry opportunity. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along the zone after break of this high, after gathering liquidity, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.